Hi guys, Miss Riggins here. Today we're going to be talking about 10 more, 10 less, 100 more, and 100 less. So I'm here at one of my favorite spots in our virtual classroom, the Virtual Math Manipulatives. If y'all don't know, I'm crazy about math. So I am going to show us that we can use the hundreds chart to help us with our activity today. Notice how I have 3 tabs open so that I can go back to my Canvas, use my hundreds chart, and then go back to my assignment. So we're going to do the first one together. Okay, guys, you might be thinking, Miss Riggins, how can we use a hundreds chart to help us with something that's beyond 100? That's a great question. I want you to be thinking about that for a second. How can I use a number that's beyond 100 on a hundreds chart? Well, I'm going to tell you a secret. We can just focus on the tens in ones place first, and then we'll look at the hundreds place. So if you pretend that 7 isn't even there in the hundreds, what number do we have? Yeah, we have 82. You guys are so smart. Okay, so I'm going to take my pink counter and highlight 82. So now we're looking for something that is 10 less. So you want to know what's really cool about a hundreds chart? Is all you have to do is do the number on top. Or if you think about it, 8, the digit 8, what's 1 less than 8? 7. So you could have also just replaced that one digit. So we've got 72. Now, what would happen? Is this correct? Is that really 10 less? No. This is the moment where we do have to add that hundreds place on. Because now this seems way more reasonable. 772 is 10 less than 782. Okay, so now we need to do 10 more. So let's go back to our hundreds chart. I'm going to choose green. And so, 10 less is above, but 10 more is below. So actually 92. Also think when you're counting 8, 9. That comes next. So 10 more is 92. Again, is this reasonable? No, it's not. We need to have the 7 in the hundreds place. Okay, so now we're changing the digit in the hundreds place. Well, how can I use a hundreds chart for that? Well, if you just focus on the one digit that's in the hundreds place, what's the digit that's in the hundreds place in our original number? Yeah, you're right, the 7. So if I highlight the 7, 100 less means smaller. So I'll just look to my left, and we have a 6. So I just change it to 682. There we go. Now we're going to do 100 more than our original number of 7. 100 more would change the digit in the hundreds place to an 8. So 882. Notice when you're talking about 10 less and 10 more, the digit in the tens place is the only digit that's changing. Remember, when you're talking about the hundreds place, 100 less and 100 more, the digit in the hundreds place is the only one that is changing. Okay, guys, I challenge you guys to complete the rest of the slides. This is Ms. Riggins' example. If you need to use the hundreds chart, go for it. If you do not, that's okay too. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and keep up the hard work. Bye, guys.